For me, choosing T. Schreiber, I remember the first time I went in the halls, I knew right away. I was like, I have to come here.
I feel like I have a friendship and a relationship with each one of my teachers, and I feel like they actually care how I do, what I do with my career. They care about me as a person, and they want to nurture that.
It's such a diverse institution. I mean, they really do give us so many different techniques and methods that you're not just given one thing. So you're really able to see what works for you and see the things that don't work for you.
A lot of times when we think about a conservatory or any sort of structured education, there's this competition thing involved, and really the only person you're in competition with when you come here is yourself.
I mean, out of this conservatory, I got to work with a manager who now I am signed with, and I've also booked some TV work, so I mean, I wouldn't have achieved any of this without the studio.
I'm fully represented. I have an agent, a manager, and a commercial agent. I booked my first TV gig about a year and a half ago. Right after T. Schreiber, I did like an off-Broadway show on Theater Row.
Each teacher who teaches within the 1 year is a master teacher and continues to work professionally, either as a writer or an actor or a director, and brings that practical knowledge into the classroom.
You really learn from very different people, very different professionals, very different acting techniques, but they're all embracing each other.
Because the teachers have a level of experience and confidence and work in the industry, we can deal with an individual's acting problem in that moment, not give everybody the same exercise.
You know, I was always able to sit aside with Peter or Sally or any of them and be like, hey, listen, I'm a little stuck here. And they knew how to tailor the help exactly towards me.
It's really intense, but it also allows you to grow beyond what's the day-to-day class. Here at Schreiber, their productions, which mainly cast actors who studied here.
There's someone in one of my classes now who's developing a piece that he's been working on, and I'm going to be directing it. And he's a real artist who has sculpted this thing, and it's very interesting material, so, and that happens a lot here.
I can do Shakespeare, I can do classic, I can do contemporary, I can do commercial, you know, and I really find that there's a lot more in me than I knew there was.
How many other conservatories can you actually work with the person who founded the studios?
It really does feel like a family here. I mean, you go into the office and there's that same dedication from the people that work in the office to the teachers, to the people that you're surrounded by, and it inspires you to want to come in and give 100% every time.
One of the things that really astonished me, the level of my classmates. I would see really talented actors.
I think most importantly, being able to go into a professional audition and know what I'm doing and feel confident and comfortable and just kill it.
It's comforting knowing I'm going out into the industry, having like a team basically behind me, it feels like.
Before I wasn't comfortable really saying that I believe in my full potential, and I can sit here and say that I really believe in my full potential. It's just so great. I would recommend it to anyone.